Looking for a new place to rent? Look no further than this charming landed house. Located in one of the most pleasant neighborhoods, this house spanning a comfortable 2,267 square feet has plenty of features to offer, including a total of 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Hi everyone, I'm Sharon from AAG OrangeTee. What is captivating is the wide road capacity at the entrance of the property. As you enter the car porch, there's a delightful green lawn for green fingers. Level 1. From the inviting porch that can easily put up a car, you will step up into a roomy living hall that leads you to a welcoming dining space. The minimalist design kitchen has all the space you will need. You will have an outdoor laundry yard to amplify your kitchen area and accommodate the washer and dryer. There is a good-sized guest room that is bright with airy space. A definite plus to the house layout is the air well for those who enjoy air circulation and fresher air into the house. Level 2. There is a family communal space and 2 generous-sized bedrooms that are ensuite with balcony. Inside both bedrooms, you will find an amply large space with plenty of natural light and understated finishes. One of the bedrooms has a common or study room within. Level 3. There are 2 common bedrooms, 1 common bathroom and also a family communal space. Plus all the amenities you could ever need within close proximity, this house won't be in the market for long. So don't miss a chance to make this charming house yours. Add this house into your shopping cart today. Call me Sharon from OrangeTee AAG right now.